Welcome to today's tour of a truly unique property, a bare-bones Amish home that combines timeless craftsmanship, simplicity, and practicality. This walkthrough will guide you through every corner of the home and its grounds, while we highlight the details. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal the full asking price, so stick around. Here is a broad look at the property's exterior. You'll notice the basic-sided farmhouse with its steep metal roof, a hallmark of Amish practicality. The roof isn't just aesthetic, it's designed to shed snow quickly in winter and last for decades without constant upkeep. The yard is open, uncluttered, and edged with farmland, which reflects the Amish preference for usable outdoor space over ornamental landscaping. Moving on, you see the traditional barn, built with the same siding as the house, that is both functional design and built for utility. Amish families rely on their barns not just for livestock, but also for storing equipment and seasonal harvests. The simplicity of the structure emphasizes purpose. This view of the side yard gives us a glimpse of the garden area. Gardening is central to Amish households, and many families grow nearly everything they eat. The soil here is dark and fertile, ideal for rows of beans, corn, and tomatoes. The practicality of land use is always front and center. No space is wasted. Looking at the driveway stretching in toward the home, notice how it's gravel, not paved. This isn't just a cost choice, it's a reflection of Amish values: natural, low maintenance, and entirely functional. It's another reflection of Amish sensibility: practicality before ornament. Views of the fields that surround the property. These aren't decorative lawns, they're working land. Whether planted in corn, hay, or used as pasture, this acreage reflects the self-sufficiency the Amish are known for. Standing here, you're reminded that this isn't just a house, it's part of a lifestyle deeply rooted in the land. Now that we've seen the property and exterior, let's step inside and take a closer look at the main living spaces. These photos capture the heart of the home, where the Amish family gathers, cooks, prays, and shares their daily lives. As you'll see, every detail has a purpose. Every room has a story. The kitchen is always the beating heart of an Amish home, and this first interior photo sets the tone. Wide open, practical, it's designed less for show and more for efficiency. The large stove often doubles as both a cooking source and a heat source, especially during colder months. Notice the long family table nearby, vinyl tablecloth, simple seating, designed to host not just family members, but also neighbors, friends, and visiting church gatherings. This closer look at the dining area reinforces the communal nature of Amish living. The table isn't a decorative centerpiece, it's a workspace, a mealtime anchor, and the stage for family conversations. Overhead, simple lighting keeps the space bright, and walls are often adorned with practical hangings rather than art, calendars, clocks, and sometimes scripture verses. Here, we see a small but vital detail: storage shelves lined with jars. Amish households preserve much of their own food, from vegetables to sauces to jams. Canning is more than tradition, it's a lifeline through the winter months. Each jar on the shelf tells a story of self-sufficiency, where summer harvests are carefully prepared for the months ahead. Moving into the living room, the simplicity continues. Solid wood furniture, usually handcrafted by Amish craftsmen themselves, gives the space both durability and beauty. Chairs and couches are arranged for conversation rather than television, since Amish homes don't typically feature electronics. It's a gathering space that prioritizes people, not screens. As we move into the more private areas of the house, we see how the Amish create spaces for rest, reflection, and family. These rooms aren't filled with decoration or extravagance. Instead, they reveal the quiet simplicity of a lifestyle guided by faith, family, and purpose. The first bedroom photo shows a spacious master room. The bed is simple, likely handmade. The room itself is uncluttered, with natural light streaming in through plain curtains. Unlike many modern homes, you won't find electronics here. Instead, the space encourages rest and quiet. Another bedroom continues the theme of modesty. Beds are neatly made, floors are spotless, and clothing is often hung on pegs along the walls instead of hidden away in bulky wardrobes. This simple organization method is a hallmark of Amish living, reinforcing both discipline and efficiency. Every Amish home is designed with practicality in mind, and nowhere is that more apparent than in the utility spaces. These areas may not be glamorous, but they're the backbone of the household. Laundry is dried, and the daily rhythm of farm life is supported. This image captures a workbench corner. It's where tools are repaired. For the Amish, utility areas like this aren't afterthoughts. They're integral parts of daily living, designed to handle real work. We've explored the main living spaces, the bedrooms, but before we finish, let's take a closer look at the finishing touches and outdoor connections that complete this bare-bones Amish home. Now we step outside again for a look at the outbuilding. This shed are vital to Amish homesteads, used for storing tools, gardening supplies, or small equipment. Built simply and sturdily, they mirror the farmhouse itself, built to endure, not to impress. This side view of the farmhouse gives us one last look at its design. The vertical lines of the siding, the symmetry of the windows, and the metal roof all work together to create an unmistakably Amish look. Clean, purposeful, and long-lasting. It's a reminder that this home is both shelter and symbol, representing values of humility and strength. And here we end with a wide, sweeping view of the home from the outside. You see the farmhouse, the surrounding land, and the open sky stretching above. It's a picture of peace and self-sufficiency, where daily life unfolds not in a rush, but in steady rhythm with the land and seasons. As we close this walkthrough, it's clear that this isn't just a house, it's a way of life. From the handmade furniture to the wide kitchen table, from the canning shelves in the pantry to the fields beyond the house, every inch of this property reflects Amish tradition, hard work, family, and faith. While I can see the functionality of the home, I will have to admit it is filthy, probably one of the most filthy Amish homes I have seen. It needs a good cleaning before any buyer would even think to move in. And now the detail you've been waiting for, the listing price. This bare-bones Amish home, with its land, a shed, and timeless craftsmanship, was listed at $140,000. So, what do you think? Could you picture yourself living here, waking up to the sound of the countryside, working the land, and embracing a lifestyle that's as enduring as the home itself? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tours of unique and traditional properties like this one.